library kids.
And now my backpack is put away. I make my bed every morning. First, I pull the covers down. Then I fluff the pillows. All done.
I take a shower in the morning. It makes me feel so clean and bright. La la la. I cook breakfast for myself.
There we go. Now to cook. I wash the dishes after eating. Scrub, scrub, all clean now. Next is this cup. I clean my room every day. It makes me feel happy. All clean. I help my family with housework. Let's clean this rug. All done. Good job, buddy.
I watch
Wow, this
TV
show is
in the
so
living
fun.
room.
Yay, I can clap along. Now dancing. I use my phone to relax. I read books in my free time. I listen to music at home. It's so much fun! Yeah! Woohoo! I do my homework in the evening. I write in my notebook. It's fun to learn.
I water the plants.
You look thirsty. There you go, all watered. Grow big and strong.
I take a short rest in the afternoon. I prepare dinner at home.
Yummy. In go the fresh veggies. Almost ready.
I talk with my family at night.
Oh, what is it, sweetie?
Yeah, tell us.
Yay, tell us!
I check social media before sleeping.
I get ready for bed.
Time for bed. Comfy. I go to sleep around 10 p.m.
Thank you for watching this videos. Please subscribe for more.